choosing between 202 and 304 stainless steel for kitchen safety and food health. Welcome to the world of stainless steel, the backbone of modern kitchens and food processing industries. Its shine isn't just for show, it's a testament to its durability and corrosion resistance. Today, we're diving into the heart of kitchens everywhere to compare to heroes of the culinary world, 202 and 304 stainless steel. First off, let's talk about 202 stainless steel. It's a material known for its affordability, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious consumers. Its lower nickel content, however, means it might not hold up as well against corrosion compared to its counterpart. Enter 304 stainless steel, the star of the stainless world. With its higher nickel and chromium content, it boasts superior corrosion resistance. This makes it an ideal choice for any kitchen or food processing area where hygiene and durability are paramount. But what does this mean for your food's safety and your health? Simply put, 304's enhanced corrosion resistance means less chance for contaminants to compromise your food. It stands guard, ensuring that what you cook and eat remains as safe and healthy as possible. Now, considering the cost versus benefits, 304 might come with a higher price tag. However, its longevity and reliability in the face of moisture, heat, and acids make it a wise investment for any kitchen. In summary, when it comes to ensuring the safety and longevity of your kitchen appliances and food processing equipment, 304 stainless steel is a clear winner. Its superior corrosion resistance ensures your food remains safe, making it a smart choice for health-conscious individuals. So next time you're faced with the choice between 202 and 304 stainless steel, remember what's at stake. It's not just about the immediate cost, but the long-term health and safety of you and your loved ones. Choose wisely, choose 304. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching. Thank you very much.